Tired of projects feeling like navigating a minefield? Let's transform that chaos into a streamlined symphony of productivity with JIRA. First, we will learn how to create an efficient project workflow within JIRA. Let's kick things off by creating a new project. Click the Projects drop-down in the top navigation bar, and then select Create Project. Choose the project type that best fits your team's workflow: JIRA, Scrum, Kanban, or even a basic template for this tutorial. Let's select Scrum and hit Next. Give your project a clear and descriptive name and a unique key, which JIRA will use to identify your project. Then, click Create. Now, let's define your workflow. Each project starts with a default workflow, often consisting of To-Do, In Progress, and Done. To customize it, go to Project Settings, then click Workflows. You can add new statuses, rename existing ones, and define transitions between them. For example, let's add a review status between In Progress and Done to ensure quality control. Just click Add Status and type in your status name. Time to populate your project with issues. Click the Create button at the top of the screen. Fill in the required field summary, which is a brief description of the task. Description, providing more detailed information. Assignee, the person responsible for the issue, and priority, indicating the urgency of the task. You can also attach files or link to other issues, then click Create to add your issue to the backlog. Now, for sprint planning, go to the backlog view and create a new sprint by clicking Create Sprint. Drag and drop issues from the backlog into your sprint. Once you're satisfied with the sprint scope, click Start Sprint. Set the sprint goal, start date, and duration, and then confirm. During the sprint, regularly update issue statuses by dragging and dropping them across the workflow columns. This visual representation provides a clear overview of the sprint progress and helps identify any bottlenecks. Encourage team members to collaborate by adding comments and mentioning each other on issues. Finally, leverage JIRA's reporting capabilities to track your team's performance. JIRA offers a variety of reports, such as burn-down charts, velocity charts, and cumulative flow diagrams that provide valuable insights into sprint progress, team velocity, and potential areas for improvement. Access these reports through the Reports section in your project. And there you have it: why JIRA a more efficient workflow in JIRA.